As you can see, we got some winter problems here. Trying to start the build. You want to hold it up for you?
Fucking get on the whiskey! Hit it!
That's a choke.
Get some card cleaner. Hold that choke plate.
Yeah, it's closed there. Hold it closed. Hold the choke closed.
See, when it starts, open it a hair.
Good idea before you start anything is soak down all the bolts so they come out easy and you don't run into any breakage issues.
I'ma let you speak. Let my silence reach. Babe, I'm real quiet. Babe, I'm real quiet.
Okay, the rip and tear begins. We got the fuel tank out here. We replaced the under belly of it. It's kind of a strap, full strap kit. Really nice, good plate kind of thing. Okay, so we're just getting ready to drop the rear diff down and change out the springs and control arms. So we just got it, the diff supported by these stands. We're gonna unbolt the control arms and sling it down. Okay, so we were back. We came across a big problem with this thing. So this is the stock Dana 35, 410s in it, and we've come across this spring perch is completely rotted out, like just nothing left. The other side seems fine, but we got a change of plans. What we've done is we've actually cut out this perch now, and Derek's just outside making a new one. So here's this one side, the one side that was still had some structural integrity. We're doing a diff swap eventually on this, just not right now. So we're just gonna make up this perch so we can keep going. How you making out there, Derek?
Yeah, beautiful.
So yeah, we're using an old brake rotor, and we're gonna cut out the inside of it as our disc. I'm gonna put the disc in there. So.
Back my heart, the one that you knew could break. The one that broke with your compassion.
It was a bit more time consuming than we thought with our setback with the spring perch, but we have her beat in the back end now. Got the shocks on, got the boots installed. Track bar relocation bracket went smooth, had to drill a couple holes for that. A little bit hard to get that in there. All we did was ratchet strap it across to get it in that hole up there. Derek put the sleigh bars in. We're just going to tie up some wiring right now. Here's the comparison from the front and back. You can see the axle the difference in the axle heights. We got insane drive shaft angles right now. We still gotta do the transfer case drop. That's included with the kit.